Hello guys, in this video tutorial we will show you how the quiz poll feature works on the mobile device. Open the app on your device and tap the quiz poll icon. You will be redirected to the quiz poll section. Here you will see the quiz poll categories. Now select the category that you want to open. All the subcategories, quizzes, and polls under the category will be displayed here. Under the category or subcategory, you can select a quiz or a poll. Now let's attempt quiz and poll one by one. First, let's attempt a quiz. Now tap on the quiz that you want to attempt and you will be redirected to the welcome page. Here you will see a welcome image and welcome text. Now tap the Start Quiz button to open the instructions page. You can view the instructions image and all the rules associated with the quiz. Now next tap the Let's Get Started button to move to the questions. Here you can view the first question, which is a single correct answer type question. From here you can view the image of the question. You can select the answer from the option, which is the case, option B. Now let's move to the next question. In the second question, you can select multiple options. You can also tap the image here to view the image of the question. Now let's select multiple options for this question, that is option A and C. You can also check the answers after attempting the question. Let's move to the next question. Select the correct answer, which in this case is option C. You can also check additional information or detailed explanation of the answer from here. Now let's move to the last question of the quiz. This is a type in answer type question. You can enter the answer in the text box here, check its detailed explanation after attempting the question. Once you have finished the quiz, tap the Submit button. Just to inform you, once you have submitted the quiz, you will not be able to view your responses. Once done, you can view the quiz summary. That is the number of the questions attempted, total questions, and skipped questions. If you want, you can reattempt the skipped question. Now tap the Submit button to check your quiz result or report. Here you can view the quiz report and your ranking among the other participants. Tap the ranking button here to view the leaderboard on your score. Now tap this down arrow to view all detailed analysis of the quiz. If you want, you can retake the quiz or go back to the home page. For now, let's go back to the home page and attempt a poll. Similar to the quiz, you can also attempt a poll. Select the category and then the poll which you want to attempt. You will be redirected to the welcome page. Here you will see a welcome image and a welcome text. From here you can check the instructions and rules of the poll. Now let's tap Let's Get Started to move to the poll questions. For the first poll question, you can select multiple options as your response. After attempting the poll, you can view the percentage of users who have selected different options in the pie chart. It's in this case 43% of the users have selected options A and D, whereas 14% of the users have selected option B. Similarly, you can select a response to the next two questions. The last one is the type in type poll question. You can enter your response in the text box. Once done, tap Submit. From here, you can check the poll summary, that is the number of poll questions attempted and skipped. If you want, you can reattempt the skipped questions. Now submit the poll to view the detailed report. You can view the detailed analysis of the poll by tapping the down arrow here. Similarly, you can attempt multiple quizzes and polls. That's how the quiz poll feature works on your mobile device. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they are live.